Hi guys, welcome back to another video. On this one it's a little bit of a how-to. You'll be learning how to flock a dashboard, and if I'm deadly honest, we'll be learning how to it as well because I've never done it. So we've got the dashboard out of our Clio race car. We want to give it a flocked finish, so we've purchased a flocking gun and a flock kit from Flocking. And then we've got everything else that we need to get cracking with it and get it sorted. So first things first, what we need to do is get the dashboard prepped, get it ready to apply the resin. So we've got this carbon fibre panel here, that's where our start button and the start ignition switch and everything goes. I am going to mask out this section because I want to leave that, I think. Not sure yet. Might see if these come out easy enough to leave the vents factory looking, and we're going to mask out, just for posterity, the VIN number. So yeah, first thing is give it a wipe over with panel wipe just to get any degrease, give it a good degrease and get rid of any contaminants, and then mask a bit up. So, give it a degrease. Going to mask out the carbon panel, the GoPro mount and the VIN number. This one's also got a black colour, because we're using a black flock. So, I've got the resin now on the dashboard. So apparently, we've earthed it. There's a metal plate that runs across the bottom of the dash. We've earthed that, got the flocking gun powered up with the flocking. So now apparently you turn it on and waft it near it. So, potentially, that's how you flock a dashboard. We'll demask it in a bit, see what's what, blow it off, and see what it looks like. So, we've got the dash blown off, got it back into the car. I think it looks pretty good. We've got all the switches and everything back in now. Put the race dash in. Got the little knob there for electric power steering. We're still going to make a panel up to put the hazard light switch in and the OBD socket. But yeah, looks pretty good. Quite impressed with it. Suits the car, I think. Yeah, well worth doing. Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you want to like, share and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. We'll see you in the next one.